Hi everyone and welcome to Elite Currency Weekly Trading Ideas. So this is our weekly webinar, and as always I present you with Kimberla MACD setups, but you also need to do your own trade management. This webinar is being recorded. It will be uploaded to YouTube, and for more of course live signals and trading ideas, join elitecurrency.com live. We have actually elitecurrency.com and sign up for Elite Currency Live. We actually made our new website. It's finally live. I will show you quickly. It's very fast. It still, of course, needs to be done. It needs to be populated with other things, but this is what we do. If you go to services here, you can check our methods. You can get a discount on this, of course, and you can always sign up for ECS.live. This is something that we do to send you signals for buy, sell, and of course much more. So feel free to browse the website, and of course this is what you will find about us. This webinar, as I say, is free, but our results for trading channel are really very good. They speak for themselves. Recently we had huge winners, and I hope that you will definitely enjoy trading with us. I just invite you to see how we do it, and I guess that you will be very happy to see it. So these are systems, expert advisor, and ECS.live method that we do. So I hope that you will enjoy it. And here is, this is what Ali is saying. Thank you very much, Ali. I will snapshot your comment. Camarilla MACD sit video is very clear and explanatory. You have been rocking for the last 3 weeks with this system. Excellent results. I hope that it will continue. Yes, I hope so too. Definitely, I am very pleased to see that results are going even in these low market conditions. Really, we are very happy to see excellent trading. So we have the spreadsheet, my FX book, everything is connected, so you can always check our performance and results. As I say, it's fully verified account, and I hope that you will enjoy it. Of course, let's get back to our main webinar. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for everyone. Please ensure that you fully understand risks involved before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. These are trading ideas for the Eurodollar. Of course, you need to check also if it suits your own strategy and your own view on the market. So Eurodollar position by 1030, 1.1030, stop loss 1.0980, TP 1.1120. Sell is 1.1120, stop loss 1.1150, TP 1.1045. GBP dollar position by 1.2870 to 80, stop loss 1.2750, and TP is 29.75. Alternative sell is 29.75, stop loss 1.3010, TP 1.2910. Of course, always add in between 5 and 15 pips to these zones, because if it sells 29.75 sell, I don't know if the market will go straight there, but usually use 15-point buffer. So it can be 15-point buffer here or there. So 29.60 or 29.90 also could be the sell. Australian dollar, oh, this is typo. Actually, I will correct it. I'm just started using this new template. So this is effectively the Australian dollar. Okay. And here we have dollar yen. So this is dollar yen. So I'm seeing a potential long on the dollar yen. 108.50 is possible buy, stop loss 108.10, TP 110, but When you trade 4-hour time frame, you need to know that it's very slow and you need usually to wait. Australian dollar sell 68.30, stop loss 68.65, TP 67.60. Alternative buy 67.50, stop 67.10, TP 68.30. Gold 1470, sell 1480, stop loss TP 1450, buy 1450, stop loss 1440, TP 1470. And Bitcoin sell is 80.20, stop loss 81.20, TP 69.90, buy 69.90, stop 68.90, TP 80.20. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. We have a trade running currently on oil, and the trade is very nice profits. Okay, so I'm doing now a trade management for my group. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if not, guys, we can call it a day. Okay, I will take a look just to do trade management. So we made currently 40 pips on oil short. Rest to break even +1. Okay. Yeah, almost 40 pips on oil. Yep, I will do it just quickly. Okay, so my thoughts on XTI USD. I don't know if I have this here. What is XTI? I don't think I have it. I have oil. If you think oil, then it's WTI, right? I don't know what is XTI USD, really. I don't have it on my platform. This should be oil, right? I guess that you are thinking about oil. I was short oil, and I'm still in a short trade. Mainly because the low has been taken out. And I see that there is a possibility for a further down. And I have still my trades here, 15-minute time frame. This is my Camarilla make this sit method. And I entered here and there I added. So this is a potential for a nice trade on oil. I think it's going to drop. Gulen, I think it's going to drop. Definitely, I think this is going down. All these big drop, then correction, and I think if this level breaks, it will go more down towards 54.50. Only above this spot here, we will be in uptrend. That's 58. But at this point, it looks like it's really dropping a lot. So I think this on intraday time frames, this is short. We shorted it half an hour ago, and we made 40 pips. But I think it's going to drop indeed. My thoughts on the GBP Australian dollar. Well, let me check with this. I really have started using this template. This template is very good, very nice. I'm very happy how it performs. Mainly, I've been making huge winners on this template, and this is scalp and intraday trading. So in regards to, because of the slower market, guys, when market is slow on higher time frames, you need to drop to lower time frames, and there you trade it. I think that this is bearish market now. This was the entry here. Low was 89.98, so this was the entry because I trade now almost exclusively these 15-minute trades because of volatility, very low. But again, at least it's moving. GBP Australian dollar, very nice. I would short it here. This is going to drop. This is going to drop towards probably 88.50. So I hope that this will definitely make you money. But as I say, this is dropping, and I think it's going to drop. Yes. Okay. Okay, next one is what do I think about gold? Basically, gold is, I think it's good to short it. 40, if it goes up to 1470, I think it's going to drop. Gold is still short. Yes, there is a signal, but as I say, I don't trade 4 hour now, only 15 minutes because of low volatility. But yeah, here we go. 1470 could be a short up to 1475. Watch for this zone. 1480 is then stop loss. Yeah, could be there, but you see, this signal hasn't been. It isn't correct. I was also telling you that this is a very. Although I see a signal, I wouldn't trade it. These are good signals, but not this one because it's at support, and you see that support is holding 3 touch trend line. So I would say maybe in between 1470 and 1475. So you can keep your stop loss a little bit lower. I mean, tight stop loss. So guys, yeah, this is it. We will use these other opportunities to chat when I have my Camarilla MACD webinar with members. For you guys, this is it. Prepared setups. I hope that you will enjoy it. And of course, for more, join our live service. I think that you will be pleased, definitely. Okay. Last question, is gold a bear flag? Well, it could be a bear flag if you connect these bottoms and these tops. Although, yeah, it could be a bear flag indeed. So be careful because this is momentum candle going up. I would switch to lower time frames to find entry if you want to go short. But yeah, there is a possibility for a short. You know that bear flag isn't confirmed until the price breaks lower. So be careful. Okay, guys, I wish you a great trading day. Enjoy it and hope to see you soon. Cheers. As always, trade safe.